Taj Coromandel is quite the attraction today. Are you wondering why? Well, it's fashion galore and more. So let's unleash that shopaholic in us and shop till we drop. Wednesday morning was shining bright with the opening of a shopping fiesta for the fashionistas of the city. What's the target audience that you have in mind?
This is for the fashionistas of Chennai. So it's not like, any target as such. We don't target. It's for the masses, for the high end also and for the low end also. You'll get a kurti for 650 also over here, and you'll get, for 5,000, and even saris worth 20,000 also. So it's not a target that we're targeting at. It's for the basic whole Chennai. Whole of Chennai is welcome to come and shop here. They can shop to their heart's will.
Okay.
Yeah?
Now, are these designers already established in the fashion industry, or are there a variety of upcoming designers as well?
There are many upcoming designers as well, from Chennai also and from outside also. Like, who are coming here for the first time. This is the first platform where they are exhibiting their products, and it's a good platform for them.
Vandana Nathani, Palsani and Neelam Garg were the three musketeers who coordinated this event, with a plan to provide a platform for some fresh designer talent that comprised of both Western fashion and ethnic wear for the new year. An interesting aspect was the inclusion of home decor products and kids wear as well. From handmade silver jewellery, artificial creations to dazzling diamonds, the Taj Coromandel Ballroom had showcased it all. You're a young lady present here among so many of these people. So could you tell me what are the fashion trends you noticed here?
The variety is very different. It's not something you get in Chennai often. It's more bling, it's more plush. And yeah, obviously there are a lot of things over here which you don't see in Chennai a lot. There's like 11 cities, Bombay, Calcutta, so you get a lot more variety over here.
Amongst all the designer bags, shoes, home decor products and vibrant ensembles, jewellery seemed to be the biggest attraction. After all, diamonds are a girl's best friend. You have really vibrant products on display here, so could you tell me a little bit about it?
These all are from Delhi. These are all our designer prices things. And we have really priced it in such a slash that people can buy. They are from 3,000 to, like 5,000, 6,000. And these are very attractive and nice saris so that people can buy.
Okay. What else do you have other than saris?
I have a company called Cotton India, in which we are making only pure cottons.
The exhibition has been aptly named Melange, as it had something for everyone, young and old alike. What's the first thing you noticed as soon as you walked into this exhibition?
I noticed the new stalls. There were plenty of different stalls in this particular exhibition because we've been going almost, whenever we get the messages, either through the papers or through the SMSs, we try to make it to the exhibitions because it's a little different here. We can't go to shops in Chennai. This is the only way we can shop around in Chennai. And it is different from all the other exhibitions because of the variety of the stalls, different people from different places, so it's exclusive.
For those of you who might have missed out on Melange, don't you worry, because Chennai won't ever run out of events devoted to you shopaholics. Well, that's all I have for you on the show. But it doesn't mean Chennai is going to run dry of its entertainment. It never does. Well, if you want to voice your views on the show, do write into feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. As always, stay happy and cheers.